What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well, and today I have a new gadget here in front of me to make videos here on the channel. Let's scoot some of this out of the way. Now, I do apologize. I got very excited, went ahead and unboxed it. But let's talk about what it is. Now, this is somewhat new from DJI. This is the Osmo Action 4. And this is the Adventure Combo. Now, in the Adventure Combo, you get the extension rod, which is, what most people just call a selfie stick. You get 3 batteries and the battery charging case, which I'm going to show you guys. So, I'll just briefly go over the unboxing. So, it kind of just opens up this way and inside. So, on top right here was where kind of the selfie stick was laying, kind of like that. Okay, and then there's 2 boxes. One of them is labeled accessories. The other one is labeled the camera itself. So overall, a decent unboxing. So let's go over what came in the box. So you get 2 of these screws. You get 2 of these mounts. So this attaches to the camera and this end sort of goes on whatever accessory. So that goes with that. And the other one, I have another channel where I make videos about what I'm getting up to outside of technology. I have a lot of different hobbies. The other mount is on my riding mower. So what I'll do is I'll run up there and get a quick clip of that. Okay, so right now you're actually watching video through the Osmo Action 4. And this is the other mount that I was telling you guys about that comes in the box. And I've sort of attached it to my mower. If you guys are curious, why is it on a lawnmower? Click the link in the video description. So you get 2 different kind of ways. Well, this goes with the selfie stick. And this is like 1.5 meters long. So some notable specs here on the Osmo Action 4 is that it is waterproof up to 18 meters without the waterproof case, and 60 meters with the waterproof case. The front screen is a 1.4 inch 320 by 320 display, and the rear screen is a 2.25 inch 360 by 640 display. It supports up to a 512 gigabyte micro SD card. Here are some recommended models of the SD cards. A 155 degree field of view, f2.8 aperture. The ISO range for both photo and video is 100 all the way up to 12,800. The maximum photo resolution is 3648 by 2736. It has digital zoom with a max of 4x for photos and 2x for video. So the frame rate cap for all resolutions is 60 FPS when recording, but the frame rate does differ if you want to record in slow motion. So for 4K in 16:9, the frame rate cap is 120 FPS as well as 2.7K. But if you want to record slow-mo in 1080p, it goes all the way up to 240 FPS. It has electronic image stabilization with Rocksteady 3.0 and 3.0 Plus, and horizon balancing and horizon steady. I've yet to try those features though. You can set a pre-recording timer of up to 60 seconds. The maximum video bitrate is 130 megabits per second. exFAT is the file system. For photo formats, it's JPEG and RAW. The video format is H.264 HEVC MP4. The audio is 16-bit 48 kilohertz AAC format, and each battery is 1,770 milliamp hours. And DJI is guaranteeing software updates all the way up until December 31st, 2026. So that's good to see. Here is the battery case. It's really nice. It comes with 3 batteries, so it opens up. These are fully charged. 1 battery's in the camera right now. These are really nice. It's like kind of a cartridge, little battery cartridge. And it has USB-C charging. So just really nice that you get 3 batteries. This feels good. It feels sturdy. I wouldn't go like dropping it constantly, of course. Take care of your stuff. But it feels like a nice quality. And here is the camera itself. I want to go ahead and apologize for any fingerprints. But let me take this case off. It did come with that. There's this protective case. So it kind of unlatches right there. So we lift that up and kind of just push the camera out the front. There we go. And this is a nice protective case. It feels really durable, I have to say. Like, There's barely any give to it. So you do get this as part of your accessories. The camera just comes like this out of the box. So there we go. And what's really nice is you get this little screen here on the front. So if you're filming in like selfie mode, you can see yourself, and you have the screen here on the back. Now, on what would be the left side, if we pull down on that, there is the USB-C port for charging. You can charge this while the battery's in it, and also for transferring files, and apparently use it as a webcam, but I haven't tinkered with that yet. And on the right side, if you slide, so if you're looking at the DJI logo like this, if you slide up, now it's not going to cooperate, there we go, and lift up, that's where the battery goes, along with the SD card. And I'm going to show you guys the one that I went with per their recommendation. There's a little flap here, so you can kind of lift up and pull the battery out. So very simple. And you can kind of feel it snap in place. And this is built very well. Now, this is my first sort of camera like this, an action cam. I know the GoPros are very popular, but the thing that kind of made me want one of these is because, you know, DJI are known for their drones, so I wanted to give them a try. Now, some of the reviews I've seen, they weren't too impressed with this. The quality's good. Overall, this is a very good camera, but some would say that it doesn't stack up that well to the Hero 11 or the GoPro Hero 12, but it's definitely not bad. And I will quickly go over some features that I like. So on the left-hand side, here's our power button, and we just press it once to turn it on. There we go. So I'm not sure if the GoPros have this, so if you guys know, let me know down in the comments. But I like the audible noises, okay? For someone who has trouble seeing, I like audio feedback. So if we press the power button again.
Photo, video.
Okay, I really like that. So I know what mode I'm in. And then, of course, on the top, there's the button to hit record.
Photo.
So we'll snap a picture here. Right. Just loud audio feedback.
Video.
If we switch to video, just a loud sound. And to let you know when you're done recording, I've been recording at 1080p 60 FPS, so there's the viewfinder. And if we turn it around, there we go. You can kind of see me, so I like that too. So if you've got it on the selfie stick here, that's what I'm going to call it, you can flip it around and see yourself. So press and hold, and that's how you know it's turned off. So if you guys would like to see a full review of this, let me know. But so far, I'm really loving it. It feels nice and durable. It doesn't feel cheap by any means. The video quality, I think, is pretty good. What I'll do is down in the description, I will leave a link to a video I just recorded and uploaded to my second channel called Anthony Tinkers, because I love to tinker on all sorts of different things. So you can kind of see the image quality of this. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to use this on the channel, because one of the next videos, I'm going to go ahead and tease, one of the next videos I want to record is a side-by-side, my iPhone 15 Pro Max versus my OnePlus 12, two of my favorite phones. Now, I do still have the Galaxy Z Flip 5, but it's been turned off and in the box for a few months now. So I could technically pull that phone out of the box and use it to film the video with the iPhone and the OnePlus side by side. But this is so much more handy. It's a dedicated just camera, dedicated device. Not that the quality of the OnePlus 12 camera or the iPhone 15 Pro Max camera is bad, but there's just something different about having a dedicated device to filming. So yeah, there we go. I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you in the next video.